Are you waiting to find out who is the big Melin giveaway winner? Well, you don't have to wait any longer. Today, I'm unveiling who's taking home one of these. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, Floch Fitness is all about health, wellness, and longevity for the ageless athlete. So whether it's nutrition tips, exercise tutorials, product reviews, or podcasts, you're going to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date on all of our latest content. Today, I'm going to be revealing who our winner is of our Odyssey Brick Hyrdro Snapback cap right here. I will be sending this out to you. And our winner is Logan Houniet. Congratulations, Logan. I have more giveaways planned for the future, so if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And if you have any products you'd like me to review, please leave them in the comments below as well, as I'm always looking for great products to try out and give you guys honest reviews for. That's all for today. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.